Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. This evening what am I gonna do? I'll cook some chicken liver and dumpling. You understand what I did? Over here, see me light up my stove, put on my pot, see me sugar go and burn. So guys, what you are going in our kitchen this evening, I be a badness. Remember me tell you. Yeah guys, so see me chicken liver in our pot. I go and brown, you understand what I did? Yeah. Chicken liver, dumpling and banana. Guys, be a badness. What you are going in our kitchen guys. So I'm gonna cut up some carrot, cut up some ground seeds, and make you see what I go on. You understand me? So guys, just stay tuned and watch what I go on in our kitchen. Yeah, me soon come back. Yeah guys, so I go on in our pot. Be a badness, not true? Yeah. Guys, what I'm gonna knead up some flour. You understand what I did? Guys, watch how I go on in the kitchen. You see, pack them a bubble. Yeah, be a badness. Be a badness, guys. When I lie, if you tell you. Yeah, some white flour dumpling and some brown stew, chicken liver. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. Be a badness. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness. Soon come back. Yeah guys, I just saw I going over here so you can lock off my salting pot now, you understand how I did. Yeah. So I'm gonna lock off it. You don't know badness go already. Your food almost done cook you now. Do your badness guys. You don't know the thing set up, so I'm gonna do now make my flour go and soak a little bit more. My banana. And I'm gonna go on in the kitchen, you understand how I did. Stay tuned for the finishing look guys. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna dish out some food, I'm gonna see what I go on. You understand how I did? Yeah. Guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so I go on in the kitchen, yeah. Don't know where badness go. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look. Brown stew, chicken liver, dumpling and banana guys. Yeah, you don't know where badness go. You don't know when you come in Nicholas kitchen, I be a badness, not you. Yeah, you don't know. I'm out guys. See you in our next video.